right, great news. Your offer is accepted. What is next? Well, the first 24 to 48 hours of your contract is probably the most important to ensure a successful closing. So there's two parts of it. What are your first steps? The first steps are we're going to send you out an email with any updated documentation, any other documentation that we may need to get your loan approved. Number two is you're going to get a homeowner's insurance quote. Now, if you don't have an agent, don't worry, we got you covered. We have great insurance agents that we have been vetted over the last 10 years that will take great care of you. And thirdly, you are going to put your earnest money deposit per the contract, whatever that amount is, to the title company. Now, you can go one of two ways. You can write them a check, which is fine, but just no additional documentation is going to be required. Or if you send them a wire, we won't need additional documentation. We'll just need the bank statement that it came from. And that is by far the easiest way. Now, from our perspective, once you get in the contract, my job is to shop for the best interest rates for you, which I'm going to present to you. You're going to choose that rate. Meanwhile, Danielle is going to be requesting the fees from the title company. And once we get the rate locked, the fees in, we're going to get your loan disclosed to you. It's disclosures from the lender that we choose. And once you sign those disclosures, which, by the way, what a disclosure is, this is really important. It's not an agreement. You're not committing to anything. It's just basically signing something that I told you something. So this is what I told you your rates are going to be. This is what the potential fees are going to be. That's all that is. Once those are signed, we'll get the appraisal ordered and we'll get everything submitted for the first review of underwriting. Typically, there's 2 reviews. Once we get your appraisal back and your first loan approved, the first underwriting approved, that's when we'll enter stage 2, which that's another video. So those are the first steps in ensuring a successful on-time closing, less stress, all that crazy stuff of your new home. Olbrantz, Clear to Close Brokers, have a great day.